family owned and operated, United Nissan is the original and oldest Nissan dealership in Nevada. They truly serve our community.
Whatever your needs are, we have something for you.
General Sales Manager Joseph Del Monte told me they have a car for every kind of person.
Ton of different models, starting at the Z as the sports car for the enthusiast, going up to the Titan, the Frontier, Pathfinder Rogue, Murano's been redesigned. We have full electric vehicles in the Aria and the Leaf, and then we have the Sentra and the Versa and the Altima that have been the staple of Nissan forever. So we really do have a little bit for something for everyone, no matter what your needs are.
Located on East Sahara, just off Boulder Highway, it's the ideal location not only to buy a car, but also to get service.
Your service team really unlike any other.
Absolutely. We have 6 master certified technicians. We have one of the largest service departments in the city with all the state-of-the-art equipment. We also have a 30-minute express lube. It's super easy to get in and out. We make it as easy as possible and as economic as possible for everybody. And one thing you do also get with United Nissan that you get with no other Nissan stores is you get a lifetime warranty on your vehicle when you purchase it from us. That goes as long as you own the car, as many miles as you own the car, it's covered under a warranty from us for free.
The cars are good inside and out, and so is the team at United Nissan.
Let's talk about some of the philanthropy that you do here.
Absolutely. You know, our owner lives here in Vegas. He's owned the store for 20 plus years. Since then, we've been #1 the entire time. Whenever anything comes up in the community, we're always the first ones there to help. California had their fires. We sent thousands of gallons of water to them. Any event that's happening here in town, we always make sure that we're part of it. And especially in the Hispanic community, we really rooted ourselves in that. This is really why we've been #1. The community is the reason that we continue to be #1 month in, month out, year over year.
And just like how their United Nissan team is reliable, so are the cars themselves.
Nissan's changed a lot of their models recently. They've updated everything. So everything's new, fresh. The fit and finish is amazing. You have to come see to believe how it really is. But Nissan's definitely moving in the right direction in the community and also with their vehicles here. The warranty, everyone knows, is awesome. And in the event, like we talked about, that you do need us, we're here to service it, and Nissan's there to back up everything that we have.
So you're here to back it up, and you're here to come down to the lot to buy a car.
Thanks for watching this segment from On the Lot. If you haven't already, be sure to watch full episodes by downloading the 5DRVtv app on Roku, Fire TV, or Apple TV.